This question here now, which ones do we have? I was looking at doing number 9 was one of them. What other ones? Declan, what are the last two? I'll do 12, 16, and I'll do 20. Alright. Now, to do these questions, guys, you start off at the beginning, or technically the end of a question. You have x equals minus 3, x equals plus 3. What do you do next? What? Do what you would have done the last step before that. X plus 3 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Then after that, and then what happens then? Multiply it out. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. They cancel, and we get x squared minus 9 equals 0. Make sure you put down the equals 0 part because it's a solved question with solved answers at the very top. How many? Pretty much everybody got that one okay, did you? Yeah, okay. That's question 9. Next one we're going to do is question 12. 0 and 5, okay? So x equals 0, x equals 5. Now, there's you can do this two ways, alright? The first way of doing it, you just basically put because it's already equals 0, you can put the x in a bracket, okay? And then you bring the 5 over to your side and you get x minus 5 equals 0. And then what you do to the two brackets, multiply them and you get x brackets, x minus 5 equals to 0, and then x squared minus 5x equals 0. Now, another way of thinking of it, now, seeing somebody who did this the other day, and it wasn't such a bad idea either, right? He kept it very similar to the other ones. So what he did instead, it basically meant he didn't really have to remember the technique, which in some cases is quite advantageous, alright? So what he did instead was he just said x minus 0 equals 0, or x plus 0 even. And what he did then was he just multiplied the x plus 0 by the x minus 5. And you're going to get the same answer anyway, because x times x times minus 5, minus 5x. 0 times x doesn't exist, it's nothing. 0 times minus 5 doesn't exist either. And you can see you're going to get the same answer. So, but that way looks more similar to the previous ways. But look, your call. Both of them are acceptable, okay? I've always done it the first way, but the second way would make sense to a lot of people as well. Who used it that way again? Anybody? Was it yourself and Lee did it, and James, you did it that way as well? Okay, so a lot of you decided to do that off your own bat, which means it obviously comes naturally, so it's probably a good call to do it. What's the next part, guys? Huh? 16, alright. Getting fractions in here now, so this is where you gotta pay attention to the fractions, okay? So, what we have here is x equals minus 3, x equals a half. So what happens when you move the minus 3 over to your side? X plus 3 equals 0. What about this one here? 2x equals 1 followed by equals to 0. And then what happens then? So some of you forgot to get rid of the fraction part by bringing up the 2 back up where it used to be. And then you can see that the whole question takes on a more familiar shape now once you do that. Let's go and multiply it out. 2x squared, yeah, minus 1x plus 6x minus 3 equals 0. And then 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Everybody happy enough with that? That's 16. So the last one we gotta do is 20, is it? 20. So finally number 20. Liam, what do you do to start this off? So you get 2x equals 1, yeah. Yeah. 2x minus 1 equals 0, yeah. Good man, 4x minus 3 equals 0 after that. Yep. Equals 0. Okay. Yeah. Minus 4. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.